I do not know what to say right now, if I'm excited about this or I'm not too excited about this. I don't know. I'm just having a mixed feeling, right? But in all, YouTube pays, and this video has gotten 38,500 views, which is 38.5, as you guys are seeing here. And in today's video, I'm here to review how much YouTube actually pay for 30-something thousand view video. So if you are looking forward to get 30-something thousand view video on your whole channel as a whole, like on all of your videos, how much will you be able to make as a monetized channel? Or on a particular single video, how much will you be able to make? I think this video can be able to give you an insight. And then after the review, we are going to be talking, right? Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Because of the feedback I've gotten from my previous video, I'll try to be slow on this one because I said anytime I'm talking really fast. And yeah, so anyways, my screen record is all started, and as you guys can see, this video has gotten 38.5k view. Okay, and you guys, if we go to the reach of this particular video, this video has gotten an impression of 571.7k impression, 571,700 impression. And all of these impressions, that something people clicked, and I'm so grateful. And this video was uploaded 27 days ago, so that you guys should know it is not even up to like 1 month fully. And yeah, so if you see how viewers actually find this video, browse future, suggested video, other YouTube's future, channel page, and others. And if you check for the external sites or app, you can see WhatsApp, whatsapp.com, and WhatsApp Business. I don't know. Anyways, if you check YouTube, search them, Vibe with Sonia, 4,000 watch hour on YouTube, 4,000 watch hour on YouTube. And if you check the content suggesting this particular video, all this content, the 3 top contents are my content, and the 2 last are not my content. Right now, let's go to the playlist featuring it. You can see it here, which is the apps and website review playlist that I actually have. Okay, now if we go to the engagement of this particular video, this video alone has given us a watch time of 2.6k watch time. Just imagine we're looking for watch time, right? Anyways, 2.6k watch time. And you can check the audience retention, which is what, 4 minutes audience retention, and of which I'm so super grateful, and I do not take you guys for granted, right? And if you check the key moments for this audience retention is the intro. The intro actually captivated a lot of people here, and likes versus dislikes. Anyways, let's go to the audience of this particular video. For the audience of this video have returning viewers of 15.8k. That means people are actually returning to watch my video. You can see from the graph plot here, the purple one is the returning viewers, while the blue one is for new viewers. And see, you have to be so grateful if your viewers or your audience are returning to watch your content, and of which I'm so grateful for this. You can see the device that is actually watching this particular video. We have the mobile, we have the computer, we have TV, we have tablet as well. Okay, now you can see the age, and which is very, very important, right? You can see 18 to 24, you can see 25 to 34, you can see 35 to 44, you can see 45 to 54, and then you can see 55 to 64. Like, who will not be happy to have this kind of audience? My videos ordinarily are not meant for kids, so that is why 13 to 17 are not even watching. So let's just say, just from the age of 65, and of which most of them will not even be interested in doing YouTube or coming to YouTube, right? They're the ones that are not watching. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Now, if you check the gender, you can see both male and female. Male is even watching more than female. Male is 53.1%, while female is 46.9%. And I love you guys so much. You guys are the best. You guys rock. Now, if you can see the geographical locations, which is the top countries are actually watching this particular content, Nigeria is my #1. God bless you guys. United States, my #2. I love you guys. Mwah. Then we have Kenya. If we click, we're going to be seeing other countries as well. We have United Kingdom, and then we have South Africa. And I'm so grateful. I thank you all for making this possible for me. Now, if you check the top subtitles / languages, automatically YouTube, we automatically put our subtitles from others. You can see other titles like Spanish. This is like auto translation. That is why I always tell you to enable your auto doubling. so that YouTube can actually drop your languages in other language or in other countries, right? Now, if you can see, watch time for subscribers, not subscribe is 77.8, while subscribe is 22.2. Guys, if you're watching and you have not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Do what to subscribe now. What has this girl done to you? Subscribe, because in this place, we try our possible best to make sure you grow on YouTube. Anyways, let's go to the revenue aspect of this video, because I know that a lot of people will be like, just move to the revenue. Some persons will just even move themselves to the revenue side already. Anyways, if we click on this revenue, this video alone has made $217.61. Tell me that I'm not excited. I'm so excited. $217.61. That's how much this video has made. Remember, this video is uploaded just May 14, like it's just in 7 days. It's not even up to 1 month, and this video has made even more than my threshold. Like, this video has given me more than my threshold. My threshold. Anyways, how I make my money. You can see watch paid ad 99% and super chat. Thank you so much to all my people that are super chatting me. Thank you to those ones joining membership as well. I'm grateful. Video performance, you can see for the $271.61, for each 1K view, I get to make $5.79. Like, this is huge. This is huge. Anyways, I'm so grateful. And how much advertisers are paying? Advertisers are paying $10.39 for this particular video. That's what advertisers are paying. Only $10. $10.39. Now you can see earnings by skippable, display bomber, and non-skippable. So for a video of 38,000 views, I made 217. And if you check very well, right? Let's go back to this other end. If you check very well, for this 217, the one that YouTube actually calculated out of the 38,000 view, it is this place you're seeing 36.6K. 36.6K view is what YouTube has actually calculated. That means the extra 1K or other views that is still there, they've not added it yet. If they add it, it's gonna be hot tonight. Anyways, they've not added it yet. So yeah, finally I made $217.61, and of which in Naira today, that's about $1,000. Is about 1,500 black market rate. It's over, but let's use 1,500. So if I go to my calculator and then I do 1,500 times, let's just do $271, I'm going to be getting like 325,500 Naira. Hey! Anyways, let's stop the screen record so that we can talk. You guys, anytime we bring how much YouTube actually made, this is not because we are bragging. I keep telling you guys, I will keep doing how much YouTube makes so that you can be encouraged and so that you can also know that YouTube actually pays. It pays, to be honest. And a lot of people are cashing out, and you can also cash out. See, like your worst enemy is that person that will always come here to tell you that don't be in a hurry to get monetized. Don't be in a hurry to get monetized. Like, I ask myself, like, why? Why is that you don't want me to be in a hurry to get monetized? Why is that you don't want me to get monetized? Why is that you don't want me to start getting the coins? Guys, YouTube is a whole lot of work. YouTube is stressful. YouTube is patient. YouTube is perseverance. But I keep advising you, if you're still watching me, the most and the goodest or the sweetest thing you can actually do for yourself is get your channel monetized first. At least just know that you're monetized, so that as days goes by and you're trying to like improve on your content to get the coins down to your account, you will know that if eventually any video actually picks up, you are going to be getting all of the coins down to your account. Nobody's going to be limiting, or your coins is not going to be shorting at any point in time. You understand what I'm trying to say? Try your possible best to get your channel monetized and thank me later. Guys, let me know in the comment section if this made so less or so much. Have you gotten 38,000 views before? How much are you able to make on your channel, on your content as a monetized content creator? I would love to know in the comment section. For me, I'm so grateful. I've said it on this YouTube stream like countless times, and I'll keep saying it. Even if I'm just making 1 cent, even if I'm making $1 from any of my videos, I'm grateful, I'm contented, because there was a time I was not even making anything at all. And so that you don't get me wrong, other channels can actually make more than this. Other content can actually make more than this. And other channels or other content can actually also make less than this. So it depends on how much advertisers are willing to pay. It depends on the engagement on that particular videos. It depends on how many watch hour that video is actually also generating, the audience retention, the RPM and the CPM. Like, there's a lot of factors for YouTube to be able to calculate and tell you that this is the amount that advertisers are willing to pay. Trust me, I've gotten a video that is over, when I mean over 70,000 or 90,000 views, and I've not even gotten up to $200. That's just the honest truth. And I've gotten a video that has even gotten less than this particular view with 20,000 view, 19,000 view, 80,000 view. I've gotten what is way more than $217 that I've gotten in this video. So each videos perform separately, but at the end of the day, this video alone has met up my threshold. It has met up my threshold, and that's one beautiful part of YouTube. I keep advising you, YouTube is the best place for you to create content. That's just the honest truth. This is the sweetest place for you to create content. So try your possible best, monetize, and thank me later. If you're still struggling with your channel, you don't even know what to do, how to do it, where to go about it, this is where I personally come into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, with the flyer that is displaying on the screen, and also with the email that you are seeing, faithonja3195@gmail.com. You can be able to send me a mail and tell me that you want my one-on-one coaching, where I personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, and what we can add. And if you're a Port Harcourt YouTubers, because I will keep repeating this on all of my videos so that a lot of people will actually be aware of this. If you're a Port Harcourt YouTuber, or you are in Enugu, or you are in Imo State, or you are in Akwa Ibom State, any of this state that is very close to Port Harcourt, we are going to be having a Port Harcourt hangout gathering or meeting or anything like Port Harcourt hangouts. You understand? Those of you that want to see Vibe with Sonia, those of you that want to like talk to me one-on-one, those of you that want us to like see what is happening together in your channel, Vibe with Sonia is going to be hosting a Port Harcourt Hangouts meeting on the 29th of June 2025. So all you need to do is to send me a mail on this email at faithonja3195@gmail.com and just put Port Harcourt Hangout, I am interested. Then you put your phone number, or you just put Port Harcourt Hangout and then you put your phone number. We are going to be creating a WhatsApp group to add every one of you to that particular group so that we all can be able to meet up and then start spreading love as usual. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like I say in my videos. I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Get monetized.